This video shares unexpected situations where collisions occur between drivers. Everyone, please watch and learn useful lessons from these scenarios. Please let me know your thoughts and impressions about the videos you watched. This was a very unexpected situation when a car suddenly changed lanes, leading to a collision with a vehicle in the adjacent lane. It happened so suddenly that the driver couldn't keep control of the steering. Lesson: always use your turn. Signal when changing lanes. In this next situation, the driver was clearly too careless. As you can see, they didn't check behind and didn't use a turn signal before changing direction. The sad thing is that the car's comprehensive insurance had already expired. Lesson: always check all. Directions when changing lanes. This is a situation recorded by a camera. A driver deliberately ran a red light in a densely populated urban area. You can probably guess the outcome. Everyone was waiting at the red light, and the situation suddenly happened just 1 to 2 seconds after the light turned green. The driver of the car tried to rush through the intersection, probably at a speed of around 80 kilometers per hour. All just because of not wanting to wait a little longer, and the unfortunate outcome happened. Lesson: always obey traffic laws, even when you are in a hurry. Accidents involving cars. About 50% of drivers who run red lights do not strictly obey traffic rules. Did you know that this situation is no different? Please watch carefully to gain more knowledge. Lesson: we should never attempt to run a red light. This video is very shocking, isn't it, everyone? A vehicle ahead was traveling at high speed and unfortunately caused a chain collision with multiple cars. The driver will likely have to pay a significant amount in compensation. Lesson: make sure to purchase car insurance, everyone. This situation is even more surprising. The person involved in the collision was a female driver. In the recorded video, they were driving very fast. The collision left the car badly damaged and no longer intact. Next is a situation involving merging into traffic without properly observing vehicles on the main road. It seems the car may have been in a blind spot, or the driver only looked in one direction. The video ends here. These recorded clips are very useful, helping us better anticipate situations while driving. Wishing you all a safe and efficient day of driving. I love you all very much.